Come into an easy seat, either cross-legged or sitting on the shins. Close the eyes if you wish, or rest them on one spot. As we take the first few moments of this class to simply arrive. I find that one of the best ways to come back to the now is to connect to my breath. Start to follow the natural ebb and flow of your breath. Bring the hands in a prayer in front of your heart. Interlace all fingers with the exception of the index. Right thumb over the left. Reach the arms overhead, straightening the arms and look up, lengthening the entire torso as you root the sit bones down, belly in and up. Lean forward, rounding your spine a little, and begin to draw circles from right to left, keeping the arms in line with the ears and rotating your torso and your arms around your hips super slowly, as if stirring a cauldron. Come back to center, lengthen, and on the exhalation, side bend to the right. Release the right hand down, side bend to the right a little bit deeper with the left arm overhead. Place your left hand behind the head. Look up on an inhale as you spread the left elbow. Exhale, left elbow rounds in towards the right arm. Inhale as you open. Exhale as you close. One more time like that. Next time, your left elbow is pointing towards the sky. Stay there. Lean the head into the hand and breathe deep. Come back up and twist to the right. Left hand to outer right knee, right hand behind you, belly in and up. Reach and extend your right arm behind you on an inhale. Exhale, draw your right arm forward over your left arm and round. 2 more times like that. Cross the right arm over the left now. Bend at the elbows, eagle arms, double cross, single cross, or hold opposite shoulders. Squeeze everything together. Look up on an inhale. Exhale, stay here or fold forward and down, resting your forehead onto your eagle arms.